Hi guys. So I told you guys I was gonna go and do my baby registry. Well, I did because I was all made up. So I was like, let's go do my baby registry. It's a good idea. So I got out. Look, see, I'm not even gonna fix it. So I went to Buy Baby and I went to Target. So let's not delay too much. So this is the bag for Buy Baby. And this one has more in it, so I'll do the Target. My Target is sad because when I went, the lady, she didn't give me a bag. She was like, that's it, thank you. So I asked the manager, I was like, don't you get a gift bag for registering? She was like, yeah, we do. And she went and asked the other mean lady that didn't give me a bag, do we have any more? She was like, no, we don't have any more. So I had to drive 5 minutes to another town to get my bag, which she told me I could come back, you know, call and come back to get a bag. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do that. I'm very impatient today. So anyways, let's dig in. So Target, I was disappointed with you guys. Everybody else give out their bags after you return the scanner. Target, please. Even when I went to the other store, the lady was like, can I see your ID? I just called and they said to come pick it up. I left my ID in my car. Well, how do we know who you? It's just a stupid gift bag, okay? Just a stupid gift bag with a bunch of paper in it that I probably will never use, okay? Just give me the bag, okay? Please. But I was calm enough. So, the first thing in here is this little Pampers Stack Your Registry thing. It has some stuff on here that you can scan to put in your registry. And I'm pretty sure there's a diaper and the wipes in here because I got this in my Babies R Us bag. That's that. There is a MAM pacifier in here. Cute stuff. There is a Lansol or Lancino. This is two disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags in here. Let's see. There is Okay, there is a Baby Organics laundry detergent with a coupon for $2 off. Good stuff. And this is a coupon for 25% off Smart Ear thermometer, whatever it is. It's a coupon. And then there's another Target coupon for buy one get one free Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks. Won't be using that. This is a Aquaphor. Am I saying that right? Aquaphor? Yeah, it's just a sample of chapped or irritated advanced healing ointment for baby. Then I have a Boogie Wipes with 50 cents off. I hope you guys are seeing this stuff because I just don't want to make the video long. Then there's an Enfamil buy one get one free thingy. Then there's this guy. Make room for baby. 25% off. Divine thing. Won't be using that. Ain't got nothing to paint. A little bottle of baby bubble bath. Yep. That's that. And a big old bottle of Munchkin Latch. Better latch like the breast, less colic. So yeah, I got this. Yep, that's that. And then last but not least, a pack of Honest diapers and wipes, size 1, 2 diapers and 10 wipes. I don't see any coupons in here, which I know they usually give out coupons. So let's open this up, and that's it. The bag's empty. So let's see in here if there's any coupon, which I doubt, but let's look anyways. Save $10. Save $10. That's it. Only got $10. Okay, it's better than nothing. While I was at Buy Baby, I picked up this Huggies Clutch and Clean refillable rechargeable style on the go. So it's just like this. I like the print. I like the print that was on there, and it was the last one they had, because if you look closely, there's like a stain going across it. So I was like, but I like the print of the little thing, so I just was like, why not? So I got this, and you can refill it, so I like it. Anyways, alright, on to the next bag, which is Buy Baby. They have a lot of stuff. There's a magazine, Fit Pregnancy. Let's start with the little stuff. We have a Lancino breast milk storage bags. We have a free portrait sheet from Picture People. We have a Buy Baby, $5 off any purchase of $15 or more. Where is that? Chico, $5 off Chico bottles. There's a coupon. Some of these stuff don't make no sense. Desitin, a sample of Desitin. Pretty sure there's a coupon in there. This is Bring Your Baby Matinees? Matinees? The bumps. I don't know. Whatever that is. Another latch bottle thing. A Dapple laundry. I don't know. Whatever this is. So laundry for baby clothes. Good size of Desitin. Whatever this is. Mustela, whatever. This looks like dermal cleaning, protect today for tomorrow. I don't know what that is. Another pacifier. This is the Chico soft silicone. Yeah. Some more coupons. Yeah. Another one of those stock your registry, stock your nursery thing. I'm pretty sure there's a diaper and wipes in there. A Face and Body California Baby cream. And last but not least, a nice decent size newborn and female thing. So that's it. That's it, folks. All gone. So anyways, that's it. I don't think I'm doing any more registry because it wasn't worth all this. This is just a bunch of junk on my floor. But I love free things. I love the thrill of going to go get free things. Probably not going to use it, but it's free. Might give it to someone that needs it though. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.